অঙ্কিত, জয়ব্রত, মানালি,
Good afternoon, sir.
গুড আফটারনুন, গুড আফটারনুন,
Good afternoon, sir.
গুড আফটারনুন,
Good morning, sir. Sorry, good afternoon.
গুড আফটারনুন, গুড মর্নিং, অঙ্কিতা, অঙ্কিত, কুহেলিকা, দেন অরিজিৎ, দেন সরস্বতী, দেন নবরাজ, দেন বিশাল, দেন দিব্যারানী, দেন রামু, দেন
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
গুড মর্নিং, গুড মর্নিং, রজত,
Orijit
যশোরাজ,
Bhumi.
Sir, Divya present, sir.
হ্যাঁ, সুরজ,
Sir, Orijit Bhumik present, sir.
সুরজ,
Sir, Rima
Rav-
present.
everybody is present whenever I provide admission.
Sir, Jashraj Pukasi is also present,
Nothing
sir.
to worry. Vidisha, then Utpal, then Tushar, then Priyanka Pal, then Samrat, then Sukhen, then Moinak,
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon. All of you have Pranendu. Have you all submitted the assignment?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I,
Yes,
I
sir.
am to I am to check it out. Okay, I am to check it. Then Sushmita, then Nilabhro, Deep Bonik, then Deep Bonik, then Pranoy, Orav Prasad Sarkar, Joy. But some persons are not coming. In those cases, what will happen to the internal marking and other things? They have not learned one thing, but if they learned in their own way, then also what's about the internal marking? I don't know. Onimesh, Adam, hmm? What will happen to internal marking for those valued participants? I don't know. Say, for example, 32 persons till now joined. Gaurav, Horizon, Gaurav, Horizon, Shreyoshi, then Kishore, 33, Sandeepan, 36, including me, that is 35. Then also 15% have not joined. Kishore, I marked presence to everybody. There is no need of writing. But what's about others? I don't know. Then, very hurriedly, I am to discuss today and within this week, we are to complete the internal question, assignment, and whatever may be the case. But today, we should learn something. If you give permission, we'll go for that. We have already learned the journal, ledger, and trial balance. Somebody has asked that whether theory of journal, ledger, and and trial balance should come in examination only. But this is very big question. Therefore, journal, ledger, and balancing is the practical aspect. Therefore, you should go on practicing it on the on your own way by taking various transactions. But some sort of theory question may come, but you are to more stress on the practical aspect, that is some of journalizing and ledger posting, trial balancing, etc. You have to go on practicing. Therefore, you have to keep the accounts. Therefore, you have to go on practicing.
Sir, what will be the marks distribution for midterm?
That I don't know. Still now, that will be announced by examination section. I know only the internal marking, 10 plus 10 plus 5. We have already taken for 10 marks. Again, we have to take for another 10 marks and 5 marks. Okay. But what will be the marks distribution, what will be the pattern of midterm examination, that will be announced very soon from the examination department. This will be more or less same for all programs. Therefore, you may come to know later. But you would know the subject and you know the subject content, whatever discussed in the class, nothing to worry about the marks distribution, etc. Whatever may be the marks distribution, if you know, if you go through the study materials and discussion from classes, you may go through it. এই আমার তো আছে ওই চিফ মিনিস্টার দেওয়াটা, ওটা দিয়ে দিচ্ছি না, আমি দিয়ে দেবো তোমাকে, আমি দিয়ে দেবো, ওইটা তো আছে।
Sir,
হুম,
sir, if it is possible for you, please give us some suggestion as we all have a limited amount of time right now. Our time is limited because we didn't get much time for in the preparation. So, if it is possible for you, please give us some suggestion questions.
suggestion
Then,
is all whatever discussed in the class, no other suggestion. Whatever discussed in the class, this is very small thing, you have to go through it.
okay, sir.
Josraj,
All, yes, sir.
this is my suggestion.
Okay, sir. All the things that you have teased us in
You have
class.
discussed in the class. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
This is what's about. And I will discuss today. I will later. I will forward to your end. But before that, you go through it. Do you see it, Josaraj?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is all about cash book. Clear? This is all about cash book. Cash book means only you have to do this right in this way. এভাবে করলে হয় না, always disturb. Sunita, you should come earlier, otherwise whole class is disturbing. Please. Just when I started, somebody is coming. Now you see it. This is the format of simple cash book. Do you get these things? Koilika?
Yes, sir.
Then very hurriedly you should draw this like ledger account. That is cash book. You draw the line, cash book, date particulars, ledger folio amount, date particulars, ledger folio amount. This is like
So,
Sir is paused.
I think there is some kind of network issues.
Yes.
Sir, you are not audible, sir.
We can't hear you, sir. Your screen is paused, I think.
Sir is left, I guess.
He's not there even.
Now Dibba, Josaraj, Kohelika, Dibba,
Yes, sir. Jasraj.
Rajot,
Yes, sir.
you see it. Say, this is July 1, 2018, balance of cash in hand. This was balance from earlier month. Then you have to write July 2018 1 to balance BD. Because always you have to
Sir, can you
your
please
closing
repeat it again?
balance. Huh?
Sir, please repeat it again, sir.
I am repeating. You hear it? Always you close the accounts. Closing balance is CD and opening balance is BD. You have learned it already in ledger accounts balancing? Is it?
Yes, sir.
You all have
Yes, sir.
learned that closing is you have to write CD and for opening you have to write BD. And for debit side always you have to write to, and for credit side always you have to write buy. Clear? Now the cash book starts on the date 2018 July 1. This is balance of cash in hand. Therefore it is the opening balance, and therefore you have to write to balance BD 30,000. Okay? Do you get the point? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear to everybody? This is opening balance. That's why it is BD. This is you have to write in the debit side. That's why you have to write 2. And this is 2 balance BD. It was 30,000. You have to write in the debit balance. Because cash book balance, cash in hand, always debit balance. Always. Because always you have some cash. We cannot say like this that I have minus 10,000 rupees in cash. It cannot be said. But I have 30,000 rupees in cash. That means it is opening balance, debit balance. Clear? Do you get the thing?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, in cash book, opening balance of cash means debit balance, always. Because cash must have positive balance. Cash cannot have negative balance or credit balance. Do you get the point? Then July, because in cash book, this is the receipt section. Your debit side is the receipt section. And your credit side is the payment section. Do you get the point? In cash book, your debit side is of receiving and your credit side is of payment. Clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then July 3, salary paid to D. It is receiving side or payment side?
Payment side.
Sir, payment
Payment
side, sir. Credit side.
Then you have to write here July 2018 3 by salary account 5,000. You write it down. By salary account 5,000. Clear? Clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then July 9, 2018, withdrawn from bank. Receipt side or payment side?
Receipt side.
Received.
Sir, receipt side, sir.
Withdrawn from bank. That is your cash book. You get something in your cash box. Therefore, you have to write July 9 to bank account 8,000. Clear? Clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Withdrawn from bank. Therefore, it is cash account debit to bank account. You have to write in the debit side. Because all receiving in cash, you have to write in the debit side. All payment in cash, you have to write in the credit side. Then July 10, 2018, cash sales. Cash sale, receiving or payment?
Sir, what is meant by cash sale, sir?
Receiving, sir.
You have to get meaning of it. Jaswaraj, you have to get meaning of it. Cash sales means
Sir, I sold something and get cash.
This
Okay,
is a
sir.
very, as simple as water. Therefore, you get it to sales account July 10 to sales account 7,000. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cash sales means you have sold it out and you got cash for that. Clear? And therefore cash account debit to sales. Then July 15, 2018, goods purchased in cash. Then
Payment.
payment side.
Yes, sir.
Payment,
Payment
what you
side.
have to write? By purchase.
Yes, sir.
July
By
15,
purchase.
you have to write by purchase account 15,000. Clear? Clear to everybody?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Then July 17, paid carriage inwards. Receive or payment?
Payment.
Sir, payment, but what it mean by inward, sir? Carriage inward?
Yes, sir. What is the
Carriage
meaning of
inwards
inward?
means you bought goods and the transport is from outside to your home. That's why carriage inwards.
Payment side, sir.
Uh, your car is going to your home, coming to your home. That's why it is inwards. You get the point, Josaraj?
Sir, from shop to my home, right? Inward.
Shop
Okay.
to your shop. From external party to your shop.
From my shop to an external party.
No. From
Then-
external party to your shop.
Acha, okay, sir. Got it.
Carriage inwards. That
Yes,
is
sir.
it incoming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Carriage inwards. Then it is payment by carriage inwards account or carriage account. Okay?
Means the whole thing is depending on if I am receiving cash or I am paying cash.
Yes. Just receiving cash and paying cash. This is only the function of cashier. If you receive cash, you have to write on the debit side. If you payment cash, you have to write in the credit side. As simple as water. Clear?
Sir, for this thing, for the cash book, did we have to create any kind of journal for it?
You should not prolong the story. Whatever you learn this time, you have to learn only this thing. Clear? You should not
Okay,
prolong
sir.
it.
Okay, sir.
We are here learning the receiving of cash only. Oh, somebody is always disturbing. Deepak. Either you have to write get entry in time or you should set aside. Always disturbing. Are Baba. Sushant. কি করে এরা এতক্ষণ যশোরাজ? You tell them.
Sir, আমি কি বলবো, sir?
না, তুমি বলবে. You have to tell that what you are doing this time at noon. You have to do other business in evening and in afternoon only. Clear? Then say carriage. The carriage inward. Then paid for machinery repairs. Payment or receiving?
Or payment.
Payment.
Yes, sir.
Machinery.
Payment.
Payment, machinery repairs, July 19. You have to write by repairs 3,000. Then dates recovered from age. You get
Receiving.
Receiving side.
Sir, in
And
receiving
getting
side, sir.
you get money from your debtors. Earlier you sold on credit and they are the debtors. Now they give the money and you get the money. Therefore, to debtors rupees or to age, you get the money from age debtors to age account 2,000. Okay. Then rent paid on July 31. Payment or receipt?
Payment.
Sir,
Payment.
payment.
Payment by rent. by rent, then in always cash book, which side would be more, debit side or credit side? Always, huh?
Debit side should be more, sir.
Always
Then the
debit side would be more, because you cannot give money if you have no money. Therefore, it would be more. Therefore, you have to add it up first, debit side. You add it. You add it. And what is the amount? This is 47,000. Then you have to write in the credit side also in total column. After giving some gap, you have to write 47,000. Then what is the balance amount? You add this and you deduct this total from 47,000. You add this 15,000, 20,000, 21,000.
Yes, it's 22,000.
This would be 22,000. Then on July 31, you have to write by balance CD. You have already learned it. This is closing balance. Therefore, you have to write CD. And it is on the credit side. You have to write by balance CD 22,000. And this balance would come to the next month, first day, August 2018, first one. You have to write to balance BD 22,000. Clear?
Yes,
Clear
sir.
to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Kohelika?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. No doubt. Then,
Sir,
bolo,
Sir.
তাড়াতাড়ি বলো।
sir, if the carriage is outward, then it will be in receivable
It
side or
will be
payment
also
side?
payment. It will be also payment.
Okay,
It will
sir.
be also payment. Carriage inward or outward, it is payment. It is expenditure, no doubt. But you have to get the specification of the expenses. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then come to illustration 2. I will forward it later on. But now this is illustration number 2. Because here we are to, this is simple cash book. Here we are to, in illustration 2, there is some discount column. Therefore, when there is some discount allowed or discount received, you have to frame the cash book in this way. You write down the cash book, format of the cash book at first. Additionally, you have to keep one discount column. One discount column. You draw it, the cash book at first, date particulars, and you keep one ledger folio, discount and cash or amount. Date particulars, ledger folio, discount and amount. Clear? Do you get the point? Kohelika?
Yes, got the point, sir.
You draw the cash book very quickly, because the accountant should be very quick. Manager, you are going to be manager. So big post. You are going to be manager. Oh, again somebody is disturbing. Suman, Dhar. Where from they have come, I don't know. Have you drawn it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then start. You keep debit here, credit here, amount here, discount here, rupees, discount here, rupees. Then Then August 1, 2008, cash in hand. Where you have to write debit side or credit side?
Sir,
Debit side to balance
Debit,
BD.
sir.
Debit side, you write August 2018 1 to balance BD 45,000. Okay. In cash column, you have to write 45,000. Then August 7, 2018, discount received from A. Discount received from A. A has given discount.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
Sir, in credit side, na?
Huh? Screen is not visible.
Visible, sir.
Huh?
Visible, sir.
Tale? Discount received from A, 1500. Which side you have to write?
Receiving.
Debit.
Sir, in credit side, na?
In the debit side, receiving
Debit side.
of the receipt side.
হ্যাঁ ঠিক করো আগে
Debit side.
ডিসকাউন্ট নো নো আগে আগে ইয়েতে চলে গেছি August 1 then August 4 paid interest on loan. Which side you have to write? August 4
Sir, credit.
Credit side.
credit side. August 4 2018 you have to write by interest. Okay, by interest. What's the amount? 6,000. Okay. Then August 7 2008 paid to A. What's the amount?
Sir, credit.
Credit side.
13,500.
13,500. You write by A 13,500 in the cash column, and on the same date discount received from A. That on which side you have to write?
Debit side, sir.
In debit side.
At
Discount
first
received.
you call among yourself. Then you say discount received from A. Whether it would come in debit side or credit side.
Sir,
in credit
debit.
side.
Huh?
Sir, in credit side.
In credit side.
Yes, sir.
It would be your credit side. This is your income.
Yes, sir.
And
Income and gains
your-
always will be in credit side.
Yes, sir.
A will give the less amount. Therefore, you
Yes,
have to
sir.
write here in this way. August 7, you clearly said this 1,000 discount received, you have to write in the credit side of the cash book, and you have to write by A account. A will settle the amount 13,500 in cash, and you provide 1,500 discount. In the same row, you have to write. Clear?
Sir, please repeat it.
Yes, sir.
You have paid 13,500 to A. That's why by A 13,500. You get discount received. You discount received from A. Therefore, here you have to write with the same row by A account. You have to write 1,500 here. Clear? Clear,
Sir,
everybody?
Sir, the discount amount will be reduced from the cash.
For
Sir,
your discount, not cash is you have already got cash. From your payment, your due amount is 15,000.
Okay, sir. Okay, got it, sir.
You ought to get 15,000 from A.
Yes, sir.
And now you ought to pay 15,000 to A. Then you give only 13,500, and it's
Yes, sir.
half the purpose of 15,500. That's why 1,500 is your discount.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Do you
Yes,
get
sir.
the point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
it is already deducted. Therefore, no need of further deduction. Okay? Clear the amount? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then August 7, discount received. August 9, paid telephone bill. Where you have to write?
Credit side.
Credit side.
Sir, in credit side.
Credit side. By telephone. By telephone. Telephone. Bill 3000 account. Then by telephone bill 10,000. 3,000. Where it is good. Bad
Sir,
debts
bad
recovered
debt,
from bad debts recovered from B. August 13. Bad debts recovered from B. You give
Sir,
get
debit
money
side.
or pay money.
Recovered
Received,
and sir received.
Receive
Yes,
hoga,
sir.
sir.
Receive,
The
sir.
debit side.
In
Received.
the debit side.
Therefore, you have to write in the debit side. On August 13, to bad debts recover 5,500. Okay? Do you get the point?
Yes, sir.
If it is bad debt only, where you have to write?
Credit
Sir,
side because
in the
it is a
credit
liability.
In
side.
cash book, no here you have to write. In cash book, no here you have to write.
Sir, can you please repeat it again? In the case of only bad debts.
In case of bad debt, you are not getting, you are not paying. Therefore,
Yes, sir.
nothing to do with your cash.
Yes, sir.
Then August 16, purchase goods on credit from C. Receiving or payment?
Payment, sir.
Payment, sir.
Payment. You have to
Purchase
write
goods.
August 16 by C account. By C account. Payment goods on credit from C. You have to payment goods on credit from C.
Sir, should
That-
we write it because no cash is there?
Key?
Sir, should we write it because it was bought on credit?
Payment. Oh, what is the amount here? August 16.
August 16.
Purchased goods on credit from C. Where you have to write?
Credit
said?
side.
Yes, sir. After, yes, sir. In the credit side, in the payment side.
ভালো করে বুঝে দেখো একজন কিন্তু বলে দিল
স্যার আসবে না এটা
It will not
you
come
are not
because
getting
it is
money, you are
credit.
not paying money.
Yes,
You have
sir.
only purchased on credit. In cash book, we have to write if we get money or pay money. In case of purchasing goods on credit, we are not receiving money, we are not giving money. Josaraj, do you understand?
Yes, sir. Then this entry will be omitted, na?
In cash book.
Yes, sir. In cash book.
We have to write in journal and ledger, that is another golpo. Here we
Yes,
can
sir.
learn only cash book. There is no entry in cash book. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Who said it earlier?
మీ
Me,
సార్
sir.
ప్రణందు
Who is me? Dibba.
Kohelika, sir.
Kohelika, sir.
Kohelika.
Kohelika.
That's good.
And Pranandu also.
Yes,
Pranandu
sir.
also.
Pranandu also
Therefore,
told, sir.
we should offer thanks to Kohelika.
And Pranandu also.
And for such thanks, Kohelika should provide sweet before Kali Puja. We offer thanks, and for that thanks, Kohelika is to prolong welcome by giving sweets. Is it true,
Okay, sir.
Josaraj?
Yes, sir. The Lal Mohan, sir, mainly.
Sir, Kaju Barfi Kohelika.
Yeah, Kaju Barfi is also. But no
Then-
phone
ठीक है,
papri,
बेच
huh?
Then
But
August
no phone
18.
papri.
August 18, paid in full settlement to C 9,500. paid in full settlement to C 9,500. You have to think these two information. Purchase goods on credit from C 10,000, paid in full settlement to C 9,500.
Sir, then I think sir, there is a discount of 500 because
You got discount for what amount?
500.
10,000 and 900,
Then
500.
what you should write in the cash book?
Sir, in discount side 500 and in cash side
side
9,500.
9,500.
Okay, by C 500 and 9,500. Clear to everybody? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have purchased goods on credit for rupees 10,000. We paid 9,500 in cash in full settlement. That is 9,500 payment clears the whole due of 10,000. Therefore, we got discount 500. Okay? Discount 500 never said, but you got it because by paying 9,500, you clear the whole due. Do you understand, Kohelika?
Yes, sir.
Then received from D 11,000.
Sir,
Why
debit
from
side.
you? Huh?
Debit side. Debit.
Debit
Received.
side.
Yes,
And
sir.
on the same day discount allowed to D 1,000. Then what you should write?
1,000 discount.
Discount and
Discount
cash
and
will be
received.
10,000.
August 22, 2018, 2D, discount column 1,000 and cash column 11,000.
Sir, why
2D.
11,000, sir? Because it is.
Because you have paid 11,000.
but
Because
I
you
have
have,
that
you have
discount.
received 11,000. You have received 11,000 cash. That's why it is 11,000.
Then the total will be 12,000.
That is
Okay.
another gulpo. You have
Okay.
received money and you have to write that.
Okay, sir.
And for discount, you have to write in the discount column. Okay?
Okay,
You
sir.
get the amount of 11,000. That's why you have to write 11,000.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear to everybody? Then August
Yes, sir.
27, cash sales.
Sir, debit side.
Debit side.
Debit
Debit
side.
side to sales account 8,500. Okay. Then August 31 paid salary to E.
Credit side. Payment.
Credit side by salary 6,000. Then you add it up the debit side. What's the amount?
70,000.
Sir, sir, in the case of this, we do not have to calculate the discount part.
You should not add it up. I will say later on, because this discount received is your income and discount allowed is your expenses. It will ultimately go to the profit and loss account. That we will discuss later on.
Okay, sir.
Because separate treatment is required for discount received. If this discount received is your income or expenses. Say from A, you got discount 1,500.
Income.
It is your income. That's why this 1,500 will go to the credit side of the profit and loss account. And this 1,000, is it your expense or income? Point is
Expenses allowed.
Or
allowed.
expenses.
It will go to the debit side of the profit and loss account. Therefore, we should not add it up because the nature of this discount received and discount allowed in ultimately final account is not the same. Do you get the point, Josaraj?
No, sir, my net got disconnected. Can you please repeat it again, sir?
The treatment of discount received and discount payment is not the same. When you get discount received, it will go to the, it is your income. It will go to the credit side of the profit and loss account. And when you allow discount, it is your expenses. It will go to the debit side of the profit and loss account.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, separate treatment is required for discount received and discount allowed. Therefore, we should not add it up. Clear? Do you get the thing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then you add the cash side of the receipt side, debit side, it is 70,000. Here you write 70,000. And the balance, this is 38,000, and the balance would come by balance sheet is 32,000. And the next day, September 1, 2018, you have to write to balance BD 32,000. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Then
Sir, kindly show the question of this, sir, once again, sir.
question of
Sir, kindly show the question of this solution, sir, once again.
question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is.
Sir, can you please send both the questions in our
I will
mail?
send later on. This is my task. But before discussion, I am not sending. Because you will get the entire solution and you keep it in your mail account. I do not forward now. After discussion of the whole theme, I will forward. Do you get my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because when I forward it, you need not take pen to hear also or to do also, because it is in your mail account. Therefore, to be active from your part, I do not forward now. Do you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then, for today, I conclude. Next day, tomorrow, you are to discuss something in group. I will say then. Whatever discussed in the class, you have to take participation in discussion for internal marking. Therefore, tomorrow you have class.
Yes.
At what time? Tomorrow you have class at 2:55. Okay. Afternoon.
Yes, sir.
Then there you have to discuss something. All should have take participation in some sort of discussion. And for that discussion, the marks will be added for internal marking.
To
Okay.
discuss, I mean, which topic, sir?
I will say then only. I cannot say because I don't know now. I cannot say now. You have to take participation on instant responding. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the group will be formed by
Okay,
you
sir.
or we will form the group?
That I will see tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Something should be kept in silence, in suspense.
Yes, sir.
Everything should not be disclosed. In accounting too, you should not disclose everything to the shareholders. Something you have to retain in yourself.
If you, sir, if you say suddenly, then we will be unable to share our screen, sir.
If you are unable, then your mark will be low.
No, sir, we will be unable to share our screen, sir.
No
It
need
is
of
a group
no
discussion,
need of
not
screen sharing.
It
presentation.
will be.
No
I
need
think.
of
No
screen
present.
sharing then.
This is just a group discussion,
Then
not a
you have
presentation.
to
sir.
say, you have to say by words only. I need that only. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Okay, sir.